When you look at cabinet performance, you don't look at individuals, you look holistically what government has done. Our government, in terms of the account of the review we have given, has done very well. We have had about 120 commitments we have made in our manifesto. Over 80 of those commitments have been made, and others are being implemented as we progress. Our Achilles heel in government is logistics in terms of Transnet and the challenges it's facing. Our Achilles heel is load shedding in terms of electricity supply that remains, that affect globally, and government performance. And those are the things that affect us out of delivery to our people. All other challenges are actually being met and are being addressed, and we can give a full account of that, which we have done in our manifesto review process. So we don't single out ministers and then say this one has not done well and all of that, and then they must be subjected to punishment of removal and all of that. We believe in collective government work in terms of delivery. At the end, the ANC will be judged as a party and as a collective. And where we are not doing well in terms of areas that I've mentioned, we are strengthening ourselves to basically ensure that we do deliver. You know that we are addressing a couple of years of state capture that has ravaged the performance of some of the entities. Transnet was well run, efficient, and all of that. And we know what state capture have done. We have addressed state capture. We know what state capture have told us, who are the culprits. We no longer thumb-sucking now. We've got reports before us. We are not thumb-sucking when we talk about state capture. State capture in law is actually now being affirmed as the reality. It's no longer something that me and Mahlengi we theorize or we are throwing bones about it. It is confirmed through the Judicial Commission of Inquiry by Judge Zondo. And the battle cry now around state capture is that let those who have delayed progress and ravaged and undermined the efficient functioning of state entities face the music of the law. I mean, face the law in this particular instance, the might of the law. And that is what is important, and we are for that. And we ourselves are very much part of society and impatient with how things are happening, but we are confident with the work that we are doing to strengthen law enforcement and all of that, that indeed these people who are implicated in the fall of the state institutions, and in particular state-owned entities, will face the music. And some of them are before the law, are in court, and they've been arrested. Of course, some have been released, but the NPA have told us that it's temporary and all of that. If somebody is implicated and is just released because the state, in terms of gathering information and evidence against those individuals, is weak, that then brings into question the capacity of our institutions. So all of those need to be addressed, to address the work that has been done by Judge Zondo through the State Capture Commission.